Okay, so I noticed that many of you guys are able to answer this satisfactorily lah. Means that some even bukan tak nak record today, tak nak record nanti. Yang kelas minggu depan tu, 3 Julai tu. Kan ada tarikh? Ayu, kan ada tarikh kelas minggu depan. Anyway, I noticed that many of you, many lah, able to answer this one correctly, 100%. So some of you already get 1 mark. Means I told just before, right? For the objective part, it is 1 mark. For the subjective part, it's another 1 mark. So some of you, many actually get 1 mark. So it's good, huh? Okay. So now we discuss on the next part of the question, the subjective question. This one, okay? Please refer to your own paper question because I have limited of screen, but I try my best here. Okay, so this is the half adder. Okay, using half adder. Where is my touch screen pen? Okay. Okay, so the diagram show the logic symbol of a 2 by 2 multiplier. Okay, before that, so 2 by 2. So this is 2 by 2 multiplier. Then and how the multiplication process is done. So this actually this is a exercise question. It's not a quiz level question. Means we guide you. This one is actually from exercise, but I make it as quiz. So it very much simpler compared to the other quiz. And also I remind you guys, right? I remind you guys to actually do it. Remember last time? This is exercise, right? Exercise from test 2. I choose randomly as a quiz. Remember? Remember or you don't remember? This one is actually taken from exercise related with test 2. I take randomly. Okay. So of course, if you remember what I say and everything, then hopefully you can do quiz 5 lah. But if you don't focus, maybe you don't aware that actually I ask you to do exercise for related test 2 before test 2 and after test 2. And I even mentioned it may help you in quiz 5. So it's already 3 times reminder there. Okay. So if you missed it, I'm sorry, even though I already remind 3 times. Okay. Okay, how the multiplication process is done. So if you see here, this is if you see this, they show the multiplication process. Okay, so A0, A1, A0 times B1, B0. So the first operation is actually only A0, B0, which is only this output 0. And then the next is that you going to have for this part, you going to have, I'm using blue, this one multiply with this one plus with this one multiply by this one. So that's why you have this plus with this. Okay. And then the next one is now we go for the other operation, which is A0 times B1 plus with A1 plus B1. And that's why you have this part. Okay. Sorry. Okay. This one you have, if you have carry, like if you have excess carry, it will go to here lah. Okay. If you have excess carry. Next is A1 plus B1 only. Okay. Sorry, this is maybe confusing. Okay. So I start again. A0, A1, B0, A0, B1. So when you plus, okay, there is a chance. Not necessary. There is a chance we have carry. So or we didn't have carry. If we didn't have carry, means it's 0 lah. Okay. If we have carry, means it have some carry lah. 1. Okay. If you don't have carry, it's 0 because this is binary. Okay. Either you have 1 or you have 0. And after that, when you add this, okay, you may have carry. Okay, you may have carry. So this one is A naught, A1, B naught, A1, B naught, and A naught, B naught here. And then carry. And then carry plus A1, B1. Okay, A1 plus B1. Okay, this one. Okay, A1 plus B1 plus with carry. Okay, so this will be your output 2, this will be your output 1. And then carry 2 is the rest if you have a carry. Okay, you may have or you may not have the carry. Okay, if you don't have, it's 0. So this is your O3. Okay, so the circuit they ask to do implement the circuit using half adder and AND gate only. So you cannot use different gate. Okay, you should use only half adder and also AND gate. Okay, wait. Okay, so I use the white screen now. Okay, because I have to use the some space. Okay, so now it's white screen. So you have let's say we have full half adder. Okay, we have half adder. So we have carry, we have sum, we have carry, we have sum. Okay, and then we have input, let's say x and y, x and y. Okay, for the half adder. Okay, and then you have O0 as your output of 0. And then you have O1 at the output of 1. And then you have output 2. Then you have output of 3. Okay. Then you have A0. Okay. Sorry, wait, my laptop is moving. Okay. So the first resultant just now when you do the submission, make sure you take note what I, okay, A1. Okay. And then B0. Okay, the first multiplication just now. Okay, so this result in your A naught. Sorry, output 0, the first output. Okay, AND gate. Okay, remember it says only use AND gate and half adder only. Next is how to get output 1. So directly to your sum. Okay, and then you know that to get output 1, it is actually combination of two literal. Okay, combination of two just now, which is A1. Sorry. So you have another AND gate here. Okay, and A1, B0. And then the other one is what? A0, B1. Okay, so you have two here. Okay, and then this is performing X plus Y. Okay, X plus Y. So whatever the summation result, you will get as A0, AO0, AO1. Sorry, this one. Okay, and after that, if it have carry, it will bring to here, to the next one. Okay, is arrow is not correct there, but I want to show you the movement, but it's actually just like this. Okay, then this, if any result of the summation, if we have carry, then we carry to the next half adder. Okay, then this one will be your output 2. Okay, and then you have another one just now, the last literal. Okay, you have the last one, which is A1 and B1. Okay, A1 and B1. So adding with this. Okay, adding with this. And this one, adding with this one, you have carry or not. Okay, means that this one can be 0 depending of what is the result of the carrier. Okay, it can be 0 or it can be 1. Okay, okay, so this is question. You guys can take answer if you want. Okay, I give you 5 minutes. I give you 3 minutes. You guys can check your answer, or you guys can Do you want me to share the question set for quiz 4 to 6, I think? I not yet share, right? But later lah I share. Later, actually, are you remind me because I didn't share yet the second set of quiz, which is quiz 4 until 6, because we just finished with quiz 4 until 6. So that's why I didn't share yet, okay? Same, next semester, you guys will take signal and system, am I correct? Signal and system subject. Do you guys take signal and system next semester? All of you. Will you guys take it? Signal and system? Oh, no? 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 Because my student that is under my academic supervision, academic advisor, uh, they took digital electronic this semester, and they will take signal and system next semester. Means they are the same with you, but why they take and you not taking? uh, no. Oh, okay, okay. I don't know why no. It's okay, it's okay. I'm just asking because I will be teaching this subject next semester, signal and system. So if you think that I don't teach well, for signal, for circuit theory, for this subject, maybe if you, maybe you can try other lecturer to teach you for signal and system. For me, it's okay. For me, it's okay because it's your right, Because if you think that you cannot follow my style, you guys can try with other lecturer for signal and system. That's why I was asking if you take signal and system, if you will take signal and system next semester. Okay. Group assignment, don't worry. As long as you do what I ask you, inshallah full mark. For those that do what I ask and for those that do actually. Okay. If you see your friend rate you more your friend more strict to you, because I see very little get five full mark five, but I trying to give you full mark. So I think your friend is more strict than me. Okay, because group assignment is one of the way to help the student. Because quiz I cannot help you. If you cannot answer, you cannot, something like that. But group report, as long as you ask what I ask you, maybe not really right, still okay to me lah. Okay. Okay. So now we go to the next question. Next question is, wait I'm have to wait this Webex to go up. You see how disturbed it is, this Webex. You don't want to go up. So okay. So this next question, I don't have much space, but let's see first. I mean, I cannot screenshot all the page because it's big. Okay, so the first okay, why is it doesn't go up? Oh, okay, never mind. You see, okay, now is the arithmetic logic circuit. So arithmetic means the circuit perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and or division. So it perform this for function lah. Okay, either way means maybe you can get addition, subtraction, or you can get multiplication, division, depends but it able to do this okay. So it perform arithmetic and logical function. Okay, the diagram show one bit slice of an ALU, okay, arithmetic logic circuit consisting of several logic gate, multiplexer, and full adder. So you have three main types there in the next page logic gate, multiplexer, and full adder. Okay, by inspecting the circuit, identify the function of ALU by filling the given table. Okay, so wait, I try to screenshot this. Okay, screenshot. No, this one. Also, are you please remind me to share past year? I try to find two set of past year. I try because maybe I don't have the collection. I try to find two set of past year for us to discuss. Of course, we cannot discuss in detail. I have to be honest because question of past final exam a lot. So next, what we do is that the next week, okay, it's not a compulsory class. 2 to 3 we will discuss set 1 and 3 to 4 we will discuss set 2. If you have no problem, if you don't have problem, maybe I just give final answer if they have final answer. If not, we try to discuss some that is very difficult. But we don't have much time. I have to be honest because right? It's not 1 hour. It's not enough time to discuss the whole question of final exam. Okay. But thank you. Means majority of you still want to have extra class. Okay. So this is I appreciate when student high spirit. When student energetic to have more class. The lecture is even more energetic motivated to help the student. Okay. 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 So uh, okay. So if you notice before you answer this question, actually you must already, I hope you already know how OR operate, how not operate, how XOR operate, how N operate. Okay, of course, if you not answer, if you don't know this operation, you can answer correctly. Okay, so okay, so okay, first you see here, this is S0, S1, and S2. Can you guys tell me what is S0, S1, S2 actually? Just respond in Webex chat. Do you know what is S0, S1, S2? Yes, correct. It's a selector of multiplexer. Okay, correct. So means if it's selector, again, you will have 2 times 3 combinational. Because it's 3 bit there, so you will have 8 combination. Okay. So let me go for 0, 0, 0. Okay. 0, 0 means you have 0 here, 0 here, 0, 0, 0, 0. Where's the other one? 0 here. Okay. So B and C in is B is where is B? B is here. And C in is here. Where is it? C in here. Okay. Okay, I do operation, so I just go to straightforward. Okay. So this is 0, 0, 0. Okay. So 0, 0, 0, 0 means it will take this one. And it will take this one. Am I correct? Okay. And then after that, we have then it will take this one. You see, this is Y going here. So you have Y. Okay. And then go here, it will be Y. Okay. And then this one 0, 0. So this one it will take X. Am I correct? No, wait. So this one is XY. Okay, this one is XY. Okay, just put here first. So it's XY. Okay. And then so this is XY. And this one will be okay, this one is X. This one is Y. Okay. C not. This one is if we have carry, which we don't know. Okay. Which we don't know whether we have a carry or not. Okay. Then you see here, this is xy. Okay. And then this is x plus y. Oh, sorry, this one is 0, 0. Okay. So 0, 0, what you have here? 0 or 1? Okay, for XOR, the input need to be different. Only then you have output 1. If the input is the same, then the output will be 0. So that's why you have 0 here. So you don't have carry in. Okay. So you don't have carry in. Then this is S2. So you have X plus Y here. So this is multiplexer. Because this is S2, so it will take this one. So it's actually, the answer is X1, Y1. XY, Y, XY. So how many of you get this correct for the first one? How many of you think that you get correct for this one? I make it a bit slower because I want you to guys to understand. For those that maybe don't understand in my class, multiplexer. This one is marks. How many of you get this correct? Yeah, me. Can you say me if you get it correct? So this one is XY. Okay, the first one. You get it correct? Who get correct? Good. Alhamdulillah. Okay. So it's a bit, actually this one is not difficult. I mean, not that difficult. It's just that it's tedious because a lot. Okay. Then, okay. Then I give the answer for the rest. Maybe don't, because the time. Okay, we will, let me give the answer first. And maybe you, if you have problem with the other answer, you tell me. Okay. This one is X. You can check your answer. Y. Okay. And this one, X bar. And then X plus Y. If you have problem, tell me. Because it's not possible for me to go one by one. X plus Y. Then X plus. Here is plus. X plus Y. This one is adder. Okay. Adder. This one is OR. Okay. This one is not function. Okay. This one is XOR. This one is, of course, just now is N. Okay. Then this one, X minus Y. So this one is subtractor. Subtractor. This one is X plus 1. This one also X plus 1. Okay. And then this one is 1, 0. Let me know if you have anything to ask. But you guys check your answer first. Y1, 1, Y0. Okay. So I give you guys, because I just finished. Okay. I give you guys around 3 minutes. I think many of you cannot answer quiz 6, I think. So we try to focus on quiz 6. Some more quiz 6 is the last chapter, which is the register and counter. Okay. So are you remind me tomorrow to share the past year question, past final exam. Today I will try to search. Okay, I will try to search for my collection. And also one of the reason that I want to discuss about the past year is that there is data sheet inside. Okay, so you will learn to solve the question with the data sheet given. Okay, if not, you will not learn the data sheet in case if it's asked in the final exam. Okay, I will try to find final exam that have data sheet and student have to find the answer. Actually, if you understand about the class, then you know actually the data sheet, what is the information required for you to solve the question. For example, maybe there is inside information, the chip leg, or maybe uh, depend lah. Maybe some information needed to extract from the data sheet for you to solve the question. But maybe some of you, if you didn't see the problem involving data sheet, maybe it's a problem, it's shock in the final exam lah. So that's why I try to help from there lah. Okay. Ayu tolong check juga. Ayu and also maybe the Joey also depends lah. Ayu also okay. Because sometimes Joey also checking very, very fast. Okay. It's okay. But you guys may check if I miss. If I miss, I don't think I miss lah. But I'm also human. If I miss anything that I should share to you in terms of recording, recorded lecture or recorded tutorial, you can see at the e-learning. Actually, right, when you guys get my when you guys get the link that I shared to you guys recorded, what you can do actually, I don't know how many of you did it. Maybe no one. You just copy paste the link at your personal. At your personal document, okay, Raimi, Dr. Raimi lecture this one, okay, week 1, okay. You just copy paste the link at your Word, then you don't have to, to get confused because I know when the e-learning, I share many things, maybe you guys get confused. I'm not get confused, you overlook the recording that I share or I don't share because a lot of things I share in the e-learning. What you guys can do actually to copy paste the link at your Word file. Okay. Okay. So okay, so I unshared the screen. I stop sharing. Okay, stop sharing and stop recording. Okay.